All right, welcome to the top of the $1 million spot. Just the stock market edition Monday. All right. So I'm kind of looking at this open bell already done started. Things are pretty much moving. I'm gonna refresh this page here and see what's going on. Amazon, GameStop. Let's see who's moving up. I'm going on top of the few today. Amazon $3,000, 3,208 a share. Let's look at the top dog on this page right here. Let's look at Chipotle. Now, why I'm trying to figure out why Chipotle, a fast food restaurant, is this high. Who, what, why, when, where? Well, look at this first. The Dow Jones is down 218 points. NASDAQ is down 61 points. And S&P is down 20 points. I guess I am used to this. And Bitcoin is down 884 points. But my thing is, how Chipotle get up this high, man? I never saw a fast food restaurant get up that high. I really have to do some research on this. Look at this. The highest was $1,900. All right, no dividends, no anything. Look at that. They just hit the market running, and they just came and just bounced up for what reason? I don't know. They better get their third quarter earnings coming up. To announce the third quarter earnings, announce the fourth quarter earnings. That was in October and January 31st. That's too long ago. October 19th probably is the earnings coming up here in this year. But I'm just trying to find out. I mean, it don't look like a bad investment, but most of us, poor people who can't, get a share of this. I mean, might have to do because Fidelity is doing fraction share, so we could do fractions on Fidelity now. Let me see. Let's see what it's doing. Oh, it's going back. So it's going back up. So what I might want to do, I think it's gonna go. I don't think it's gonna drop back down. I really think it's gonna go back up. So I think get a fraction of this is not bad because I think it's gonna keep rising. I mean, look at it here, the 52-week high. Like I said, the 52-week high is pushing out the envelope. It's pushing out. So I mean, it's right at the edge right here. So this little dot here, I mean, once it's that close to the edge, at the edge, is bound to keep pushing this way. And look, today's range of the gains and losses, I mean, is not bad because the way it's moving. See, 13.79, so it just moved. But like I said, I'm not gonna go into that one right now. That's not something I want to put money in right now. Unless I had a little extra, I could put in a fraction of something here about $500, something like that. All right. Now, let's look at something else. So, Shopify, whatever Shopify been hitting up. Man, Shopify been doing a dang on thing. It's really has been going up. And up and up and up and up. I don't even know what kind of store it is. I mean, I think it's Shopify, whatever it is. It's going up. I remember it was like $900 some, and I refused to jump into it. Yeah, I could have been rich, man. If I would have just followed my mind, like Microsoft, I was in it when it was like $79. Look at it right now at an all-time high. $294. Lord. Apple is doing its thing. Google is pretty high. Google gonna catch up with Amazon. I remember Google was like $1,300. All right. Let's go with O. This is gonna be one of the stocks of the day. O. It's Realty Income Corporation. Now this corporation here, it owns a lot of recession is expired. Oh Lord, here we go with stuff. All right. Let's look at my watch list again. All right, let's get back to right here. All right. Where was I? Which one I was gonna do? Oh, look at Cube, y'all. I'm always on that one, but I'm gonna get back to that in a minute. Cube. I'm gonna do that one last since I'm almost always on it. So what I said I was doing. Oh, that's what. Huh. All right. Let's look at this. Now, what it does is a realtor a realtor income. I mean, a realty company, and it owns places like it rents out buildings. All right. Here go the description. It is a monthly dividend company, so that's a good thing. It's a dividend company, and is also on the S&P 500, dedicated to providing shareholders with dependable monthly income. The company is structured as a REIT, and its monthly dividends is supported by the cash flow from over 6,500 real estate properties owned under long-term lease with their commercial clients. And these clients are like big clients because I hear Walmart is renting from them. Who else? Maybe Home Depot is. I'm not sure. I think one of the Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, one of them. Big companies are renting commercial spaces from this company. So if you got 6,500 of them, you and if out of the 6,500, let's just say 500 of them is big companies, like let's just say McDonald's, let's say Walmart, Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, let's just say another big company. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know what Toys R Us going. I mean, like mall buildings. You see what I'm saying? What if they build? What if those 6,500 were in those? You have to do research to find out what buildings they are. But I only got a few of them. One of my cousins gave it to me, so he gave me that, and I checked it out. And look, all right, let's go by the things I normally go by again. The price not too bad. It's down 50 cents, but it's gonna go back up. The volume is a question, but the way this thing is moving, I'm a kind of count the volume out on this one. I'm gonna just overlook that one for now, just because it's this one and because it's doing some good things. The day range, that's I don't really worry about that too much, especially when you have this pushing out to the end. So, what are options? I don't really know how options work, but so I can't explain that one to y'all. So 7:30 was a dividend. So what is 8? Is it 7:30? What's the date, y'all? So it's past the dividend date. It's past the dividend pay. So they should have another one coming on 8/13. What's the date? 8/16. So we just missed that one. So there should be another one coming here soon. But all right, let's look at advanced chart and put a ring on it. Put a band on it, I mean. We're going to do the indicator. And if anybody got any questions, please put your questions in the comment section. I want to try and do one live. on this where we can ask questions and we can kind of, we could talk about it or what have you. All right, I'm gonna put the Bollinger Band on it. Get this out the way here. And look, bam, it's busting through the roof. It's busting through the resistance. Resistance couldn't hold it no more. So it just scaled along here and just kind of busts out. So that's a good thing, unless it do like this and go back down. But it always hitting these nice resistance spots here. I mean these support spots here and coming back up on. You see what I'm saying here? Down there did it right there. It did it here, here, and then somewhere in the middle. Sometimes they'll bounce somewhere in the middle, which is not bad either. I like the way this moving, and I think from here, I think it's gonna hit. It's probably gonna hit 100, y'all. I think it's gonna hit 100 before. I would probably say before the year over. I would probably say August. August, almost in September, October. I'm gonna say by October, by by Halloween, right before Halloween, it probably gonna hit 100. August, September. I'm gonna probably say September 30th. I'm gonna say around September 30th, the end of September. It'll probably hit 100. The way it's moving. So this not a bad one to get in. Then all of a sudden they got the good thing about it. The better thing about it is it has dividends. Let me see how much they pay. Dividends. I think they pay pretty decent. Yep, 24 cents monthly. Oh, look at here. So every month you get dividend checks on here. So it's a good dividend, yo. This is the best. This is the dividend stock of the year right here. So I think I'm about to buy into me some. Oh damn, my little stand, my little makeshift stand fell off. I'm get on this up all kind of ways, y'all. But that's all right. We'll just keep it in because that's no big deal. So this is a monthly stock paying 24 cents a share. So depending on how many shares you get, that's how much money you get. If you get let's just say 100 shares times 24 cents. That's what you got. What it is, like $24 or something like that. Something like $240, something like that. Let me see. 200 shares. 0.24. I'm not that too good on that one. Just move the decimal point over what, 2 places? 1, 2. So I think like $24, $240, whatever it is. But you get 100 times 24 cents, so that's extra income you got coming in. Even if it is 25, I think it's $25 if I'm not mistaken. But I think you move a decimal point over 2. Yeah, because 20 would be $2. So that's about $24. So you get 500 to try and get 1,000, whatever you can get that residual income, but you're still gonna get paid from the chart moving up. You get paid by however many. So if you got 100, let's say you have 100 of this it'll be 100 times 50 cents. You see what I'm saying? So you get $50. Yeah, so that's where you get $50 that today if you had 100 shares. You see what I'm saying? And you just let it ride. You just put each time it rides, you just put money in there. So this is my dividend stock of the week. All right, probably dividend stock of the year. I really have to go no further than this. Even though I got some more good dividend stocks out there, but this one beating them all. All right. Now I'm going to my other one. It is called. I don't know if I saw this one or not, but this is a kind of penny stock here. It's SNMP. All right, Evolve Transition Infrastructure LP. All right, it's $1.14. All right. Now, the volume is 1 million. 1.5, 1.5. The price of it is 113, which is not bad at all. But here we have a problem here because it's right in the middle, and it's really not a problem or anything. Because I can fix that. I can do this depend on the graph. It says it pays dividends. Probably not that much. If it's $1 stock, it probably won't pay that much dividends. Let's see. Well, penny stock. See, they're not even showing it on here. They say they're paying it, but they're not. I guess they changed their mind. But anyway, back to the chart. Let me get the advanced chart and put a ring on it. Now, this chart looked like it's, to anybody who don't really know what they're doing or what have you, this is gonna look scary because it's red. But this is a nice time to buy this according to the history. So I come up here, come up, bounce down, come back, bounce, bounce up, nice payday, bounce up, bounce, and it's hitting up. Now it's bouncing again. So where you think it's gonna go? Since it took these 3-day drops, 4 days, actually 4 days, one, 2, 3, and today 4. So it went through, it fell through the floor. So where you think it probably will go next? Let's see, it's at 10. Opinion 1. I'm gonna go ahead and say, since it went down a penny from these other days where it dropped like big, you see what I'm saying? These bigger lines, and look at the penny like right there compared to these lines. I think it's gonna go up sooner or later, and it might spike back up. So it might be a best bet. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put my money on that one too. So anyway, guys, this was, let's see. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Let me see if I can get a rollover. Let me see my rollover, 800 something. That's my joint. I don't want to go in that one. My rollover 36. I don't want to do 36. So I guess I'm gonna do my joint, put my daughter on it. So what I'm gonna do? Buy me a live stock. All right. So here go buy. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna buy it at this price, and I will get. Let's see. I'm gonna do 200. I'm gonna put 200 shares. However much they're gonna be. 200. All right. Should I do a limit price? A limit. Oh shucks. Yeah, limit. We went down 2 cents. So I'm gonna put a limit on it because it went down some more. So I'm gonna put a limit price at $1. Let's see, 12. Let me see if it. I'm gonna put it on $1.11. I'm gonna put it on $1.11, and that's my limit price. And limit price just set at what you want to buy it at when it hit that price. Okay. So I'm gonna put it good for the day because I'm not gonna put it good to cancel because I want this perfect. So good to cancel it just, good until cancel just mean whenever I cancel it. But the day, if it don't reach 111 for the demo, just cancel it because I don't know what it's gonna do the next day. I gotta see on that, so I don't want to hold it that long. So I'm just hold it for the day. Put good until cancel. Good till the end of the day. So it cancels at the market close if not executed. So that's what that means. So all right, and this cancel after 180 days if not executed. So I'm gonna go ahead and cancel at the end of the day. All right, get a limit. The limit price is gonna be that. Now the market price is, if you hit market price, and whatever the price is now, that's what they're gonna sell it to you as. That's what you're gonna buy it as. Let's see if it to move. 13 is going up. So I'm gonna kind of keep an eye on it now. If it go up to 15, no, if it go up to 16, I'm gonna just go ahead and buy it at their market price. But as long as it stay below that, I'm gonna just hold on to it till the end of the day. So all right, shares, buy or buy it. You set a maximum price. Are you willing to buy? No, limit sets the maximum price you're willing to buy at it. Market, execute the next available price when the market is open. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. $222. I'm gonna go and execute that and make sure it didn't get no higher. See, 212 is going down, so I'm gonna go ahead and execute this price before it do drop and I can't get it. Place order. Bam. Now we good to go. Now it's like fishing. I'm setting that trap, waiting for it to go. All right, now y'all, so I'm gonna do a live trade. And I went over a couple of stocks, maybe a few. I can't think about it, but please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I didn't tell you that in the beginning, but please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Donate too, and that will make it help me get more content, more equipment for the channel, and make it even better. So y'all do that. Y'all have a good day, and I'll holler at y'all next time. All right, later. From the top of the $1 Million Spot.